আমার সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, তোমার বাতাস আমার।
And Messi and Haaland.
Rodriguez floats around, doesn't stay out wide. He actually narrows off, tries to get on the ball. It leaves the space for Munoz to run into, and he's got the energy to do it. Mikuni. Lerma. Switzerland do the majority of possession in the early stages, but they've yet to have a touch of the ball inside the Colombian penalty area. Ndoye's touch was unsure here, but he's able to rectify his own situation. Helped out by Akanji, and now Xhaka. Switzerland on a little bit of a tight rope, but they keep their balance. It's been a reasonably cagey start, hasn't it? We saw again that long diagonal from Colombia, looking to get the wide player in space, free. 20 minutes in. Here's Diaz. John Arias. Davison Sanchez. To John Arias, referee acknowledging there had been a foul challenge, but because Colombia still in possession, he said they could play on. Mujica. As Rodriguez immediately had space around him, vacuumed by Granit Xhaka, but Colombia are full of invention here. Puerta! Saved away by Kubel. The most dangerous shot of this last 16 games so far. First bit of pace injected into the Colombian attack. I think Switzerland perhaps wanted a foul. James Rodriguez sliding into the challenge. But some of the football after that was exquisite. Terrific effort from Puerta. Curling towards the top corner. It's the save you'd expect him to make. Gustavo Puerta, who made his international debut for Colombia 9 months ago, he scored on his debut. That's been his only international goal. So close to putting Colombia ahead here midway through the first half in Vancouver. No trajectory, but a dangerous one for James Rodriguez. Daniel Munoz with all his midfield colleagues ahead of him. Lerma. Well marshalled, however, by Akanji. Reader unable to pick out Embolo. Colombia doing well in 50-50 challenges at the moment. Freuler. Shielding the ball, and in the end relieved to hear the referee's whistle. And midway through the first half, the players will break for their hydration. But can they break down this Swiss side here today? Two nations that have been unbeaten through their opening four games.